48幅16 SJK ESS 6 DIY Box Assembly Tutorial. Step E. Use the screws that come with our DIY box. Assemble the battery casing. Step I. Install wheels. Step 3. Place the battery correctly. Positive and negative pole arrangement. Step 4. Separate the batteries using epoxy sheets. Correct battery placement order. Step 5. Fix the PCB panel to the bracket. Step 6. Use screws to fix the bracket to the battery box. Step 7. Connect the battery using busbars. Step 8. Reinforce the battery. Step 9. BMS connected to battery cassette. Step 10. Install positive and negative terminals. Step 11. Install circuit breakers. Step 12. Install RS485. Step 13. Connect the power cord to the protection board. Step 14. Secure the cover with screws. Step 15. Positive and negative power wires connect to the battery. Step 16. Connect the positive and negative terminals to the PCB. Step 17. Install display screen.